if d is equal to 1 over 2 cube times 5 to the power 7 is expressed as a terminating decimal, then how many non-zero digits will d have? Now, let's quickly understand that 2 and 5 together make a 10. So, and these 10s will turn up only in zeros when they are in denominator. So we can further write this d as 1 over 2 cube times 5 cube times 5 to the power 4. So what concept we have applied here is a raised to the power x multiplied by a raised to the power y can be written as a raised to the power x plus y. Therefore, the number that we had 5 to the power 7, I first of all looked at it as 5 to the power 3 plus 4, and then finally we broke it up as 5 to the power 3 times 5 to the power 4. The reason for breaking this up was very simple, that I wanted to see these two things making 10 simultaneously. That means we can write it as d over 10 cube times 5 to the power 4, which means we can write it further as 1 upon 5 to the power 4 times 10 to the power minus 3. Now this part will result only in zeros after the decimal, 3 zeros after the decimal, and this will be the number that will be responsible for any non-zero digit that this number will have. We can further write it as 1 over 25 square times 10 to the power minus 3. We can further write it as 1 over 625 times 10 to the power minus 3. Now 625, 1 over 625, we need to find this out. So what we can do is we can start dividing this 1 up by 625 manually. 0, another 0, and one more 0, 1, 625. Now we are left with 375. We increase 0 and 6 times 6 is a 360. That means 625 times 6 becomes 3600 plus 150. That means 3750 cross. So this d can further be written as 0.0016 times 10 to the power minus 3. That means there are only two digits which are non-zero after the decimal, and therefore the answer to the question becomes option B. Thank you so much.